Hey guys, what's up? Ernest here, and today I'm going to review a good product called Jobin. As you know, job search is one of the untapped $1 billion industry. If you are a recruiter, if you already have a business, you will know about the potential of this industry. If you're already having this business and if you want to expand globally, Jobbin is the right platform for you. And if you're a newbie and you're looking for a opportunity to start a new business and you do not know what business to start with, then I would suggest you Jobbin. There's no need to start off with a big investment. A very meager investment will do to start a good business, a recruitment business. You don't need an office, you don't need to recruit people, you don't need furnitures, you don't need a lot of computers, nothing of that sort. You don't need any office hours. You can work even when you're traveling and make money. There are a lot of good points with Jobbin. Jobbin automatically updates every hour 10 plus million jobs around the world, even for global giants like Amazon, Walmart, Costco, etc. You need no experience. Even a newbie and a non-techie can start this job with Jobbin. You get affiliate commissions on every click from the top recruiting companies. So let us start with my bonus page. Check on the vendor bonuses. Check on the prices and their discounts. We'll also have a look at the video and then we'll conclude the review. So guys, let's start off with the earnestly awesome bonuses. So these bonuses you'll be getting from me once you decide to buy Jobbin by clicking the link below. Bonus number 1, you will get that SEO and ranking tracking tactics. Get the insider tips on the tools you need to track your SEO rankings like a pro. Bonus number 2, how to write compelling headlines. Learn exactly how to write killer headlines that will captive your audience instantly. Bonus number 3, your content marketing guide. Make more money with less efforts using these killer content marketing tips. Bonus number 4, high profit blog secrets. Learn the secrets the pros use to build a high profit blog every time and make real money. So these are the bonuses you'll be getting from me once you decide to buy the Jobbin from me. You can check this out yourself, guys. What is Jobbin all about? I've already told you in brief. So you can create automated job search site and tap into the 212 billion recruitment industry. You can get started immediately. It's 100% newbie friendly with no installation, no tech hassles and no prior skills required. And if you pick it up today, you also get a free commercial license. Now we'll go into the prices. The funnel details. The front end Jobbin premium is $19. You have a coupon Jobbin. If you use that coupon, you get $3 discount. So instead of paying $19, you'll be paying only $16 for Jobbin Premium. Now Jobbin Premium, now what do you get? 50 websites, subdomains, businesses you get 50, number of website visits per month 1 lakh or 100,000, number of leads you get is 30,000. That is more than enough for you to make a lot of money. You can create done for you automated job search site that helps people find job and at the same time earn affiliate commissions for you. So you have something good getting jobs for people, and you also earn money from the commissions. You can also add 10 team members to assist you on the job. This is a wonderful thing. And free commercial license for a limited time only. The next is the OTO 1 Pro. In OTO 1 Pro, there are two options. You can either go for monthly payment of $37 or you can buy it outright at $77. So what do you get over here? You get unlimited websites, unlimited domains, unlimited businesses. Number of websites per month is unlimited and number of leads is unlimited. So this is a very good thing. And in the same OTO 1, you also get a downsell. That is, if you don't want to spend the $77, you can go in for $37 one time and still get 100 websites, custom domains 100, number of domains for businesses 100, number of visits 500,000 and number of leads 100,000 you will be getting, and you can add up to 100 team members. Then you have the OTO 2 Authority, which will cost you $47. Authority Commercial will cost you $67. You get 10x earning with a bundle of additional articles for the site's blog section. Commercial license start providing services to clients and charge hundreds of dollars every month. OTO 3 is a maximizer, will cost you $57 for personal, and commercial will be $77. And you can see for every OTOs, you have the sales page. So you can go into the sales page and check out before buying what you are getting. OTO 4 is an agency, costs you $47, and unlimited client license you get for $97. OTO 5 is a reseller. For reseller, you get $47 and unlimited client license will be $97. OTO 6 is Jobin Premium Membership, $77 per month, or you can pay $497 outright, or you can even pay $247 in 3 installments. So guys, you also get a 30-day risk-free money back guarantee. If you feel none of this is working for you, you get back your money, no questions asked. I feel this is a good product for you, and if you are looking to start your own business, try Jobbin. If you click here, it will take you to the sales page. Check it out yourself. It's quite elaborate, and this will help you to take a decision whether to go in for the product or not. And this is Ayush and this is Pranshu who are giving you this product for you. They are quite well-known producers of software which has been doing well in the market. What I will do is I will stop here, then I will show you the video. You can have a look at the video. Then I'll come to the last portion where you get even the vendor bonus.
Creating your first profitable automated job search site and even making tons of affiliate commissions looked a tough nut to crack. But with Jobbin, it's fast and easy. Jobbin helps anyone replace old school and expensive job search site creators in just 3 simple steps. One select done for you site. To begin with, enter the business name, upload logo, and enter email ID for your own branding on the website. 2, enter affiliate ID. Enter your ClickBank, JVZoo, or any affiliate ID to show the affiliate products on the website. 3, publish and profit. Publish your first ever profitable automated website and earn affiliate commissions on autopilot on every click. That's it. All hard work is done. Now just sit back and relax and watch your traffic and profits grow leaps and bounds. No installation, no designing, or other techie stuff. It's easy, fast, and built with love. With Jobbin, you can do much more. First, you can build professional and beautiful job search sites using our DFY site builder that auto-posts 10 million plus jobs from world's biggest companies like Amazon, Walmart, Apple, and thousands of others. All you need to do is enter your business name, upload logo, and enter email ID for your own branding on the website. The best part, you can do it all right from the comfort of your home. You can sell your own products or affiliate products and monetize your site into $1 million online business. Create fully customizable job search website. Add your logo and edit content for pages and blogs in just a few taps of your mouse. You also get 3 different income streams inside Jobbin to make huge profits easily. Get paid every time your visitor click on jobs posted. Customizable banner ads to promote your offers or any affiliate offer. From ClickBank, JVZoo, etc. Get free organic traffic from 20+ social media platforms integrated with Jobbin that automatically posts the articles and add banners to your social media accounts. Get the jobs for various profiles searched in huge quantities by users from 30 countries and 13 different languages. Get higher search rankings using fully SEO-optimized articles filled with job search and employment-related content. Also get free .work custom domain to build instant authority online and tons of other benefits when you grab your copy today. Isn't it amazing? Yes, this is a state-of-art solution, and I am sure that you will love it. Lastly, you don't need to spend a single dollar on buying a domain or spend monthly on hosting. Everything is covered and runs on our ultra-fast cloud-based platform. And in case you ever get stuck, we'll always be here for you with our customer support. So, I hope you are thrilled with the premium features I just shared with you.
So that's not all, my friends. You have the vendor bonuses. You can see these vendor bonuses also are very good vendor bonuses. You can see bonus number 1 is the most complete sales solution builder. Bonus number 2 is connected to JOBin software. You get 0 to 10K a month with Jobbin, limited to first 1,000 buyers only. I hope you're within the first 1,000 buyers. Bonus number 3, private access to online business VIP club. Bonus number 4, secret traffic sources video training. Bonus number 5, 6 to 7 figure video training boosts your business and scales to a new level. And bonus number 6, video training on how to become a highly profitable speaker. So these are the bonuses, my friends, other than my bonuses. So it's a good package with a 30-day money-back guarantee. There is no reason why you shouldn't try this product. Try it out yourself. If you make good money, I'll be the most happiest person. I hope you liked my review. If you like my review, share my videos to your friends, subscribe to my video, and also like my video. Comment if possible. Thanks a lot. See you in my next review. All the best. Bye.